Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, so we have here the Huawei Band 10. And of course, last night we wear it to check whether the sleep monitoring, the automatic sleep monitoring works or not. And finally, we do have a record of our sleep. So as you can see here, we have the sleep function, and we have the details on our sleep monitoring. So we'll check this as well as the data here on the support app. So if you are interested to see the results on the sleep monitoring function of the Huawei Band 10, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's start and explore the sleep monitoring function of the Huawei Band 10. So we have our details here. So we have at least 6 hours with a goal of 8 hours of sleep. So 84, the score is 84. And we have the deep sleep here, 2 hours and 17 minutes. 2 hours and 6 minutes for our light sleep. And the REM sleep is good, I think. 1 hour and 37 minutes. Then, average heart rate, we do have the beats per minute here, 57. And other details here, let me show you. We don't have the average, okay, blood oxygen monitoring. We did not enable it. Okay, for more complete details of the sleep monitoring, we have the support app here. Okay, so we have here the graph. So it shows the bedtime and the awake time here. Again, 6 hours out of goal of 8 hours of sleep. So we have the details here for the deep sleep, light sleep, and the rapid eye movement sleep. So it is all normal. Okay, so everything is good, I think, but we did not reach the 8 hours. So average respiratory rate of 14 beats per minute. We did not activate the automatic blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, we don't want to record it as the battery of the fitness tracker will easily get depleted. Our sleep duration is 6 hours and sleep score was 84 points. So we'll have record of week, month, and year if you are wearing the fitness tracker every time you take a nap or sleep. Okay, so we do have an option to add a record also here. Let's see. Okay, we don't have, I think you need an internet connection for this. So we do have some analysis and recommendation. Your sleep quality last night was fine. However, you woke up at 4:45 this morning, yes, which is a little early. Frequently waking up before plan can be sign of sleep disorder. So this is not sleep disorder. So I have to work early in the morning, so I have to prepare my things. That's why I woke up at 4:45. Okay, so there are some recommendations here. Taking a hot shower before bed can help you relax. So this is very good. We have, what's this? Sleep breathing awareness. Let me double check. Okay, detects breathing interruption during sleep. Okay, we did not activate this one, I think. So you can easily check the details about your sleep habit here. Still have to verify the ID, so we'll not explore this. Okay, again, we do have the very good details of our sleep monitoring with our Huawei Band 9. Our next goal is to check the sleep monitoring, this one, and we'll compare it with the Huawei Band 9. But so far, we do have a very good details here. A preview of our sleep. Okay. So again, if you have any questions regarding this data or our review of the Huawei Band 10, drop a comment below. And again, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.